Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in the Find My app. Open it now and make sure you're signed into the Apple ID that's sharing location. Once done, pause other location services so Find My shows accurate status. You need your device nearby because you'll change settings on that exact Apple ID. Otherwise, changes may not propagate. Now tap the People tab. This first action reveals who can see you and is where you begin removing or pausing sharing. You'll see a list of people who can view your location. Tap a name to open details. Here, choose Stop Sharing. This immediately revokes their live access. If you want to remove them entirely, choose Remove Person so they can't request your location later. Once you've handled one contact, make sure to check Family Sharing settings because family members might still see you. Adjust Share My Location in settings if you want a broader change. Finish by verifying the person's name is gone from People. That confirms the change. If you sold or lost a device, sign out of iCloud on it or remove the device from your account at iCloud. This prevents old hardware from broadcasting your location. If something still shows, restart the device and update iOS. These steps clear cached status and ensure Share My Location respects your new settings. If problems persist, recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.